cooking this morning, Miss Claus?
Oatmeal, bacon, and eggs.
I think we need to sprinkle some blueberries and some almonds on that oatmeal. With some cheesy eggs this morning.
Cheesy eggs?
Let's go cheesy.
I couldn't find my tongs, so I'm having to use my cookie gingerbread in.
Oh, okay. Well, that's interesting.
Do you know where my tongs are?
I don't, baby.
Say good morning to Bob.
Morning.
That's Bob Ross. Jonah drew him on there. Y'all, we brought back our alarm clock that, you know, the sun comes up with it on it. It does wake you up a little faster. Like, I feel more awake. Did it wake you up? Did you see it coming on?
One of my dogs woke me up.
Oh. It's the sunrise alarm clock.
There's a bear out there or something. Where's your catch pen at, Brandon?
Over here on the side.
I just tore out there, didn't I? Yeah. Right there they are. Alright, me and Tyler got those caught for that guy. He's a sheriff down in Franklin County, and they got all the cattle up and hauled, but those two right there continued to bust out of his catch pen. They were really, really wild. So after he tried everything they could do, trying to feed them and whatever you can do to try to trick them to get them in the catch pen, he finally called us to come and catch them with the horses, which we're really gentle with them. As gentle as you can possibly be with a wild animal. So we got them over here safely, and they're at the sale barn now. Everything went pretty good.
For supper tonight, we're making a one-pot Thanksgiving dinner. Y'all know that slow cooker chicken and stuffing that we make? This is the oven version. Now we are going to mix the stuffing up in this bowl, but other than that, it's all going into one dish. I do have some sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot, but you can skip that part. Or I thought it might be good to spread some mashed sweet potatoes or regular mashed potatoes over the top of it too, and make like a Thanksgiving shepherd's pie thing. That would be good. I think this is like an 11 by 7 or something like that. It's a 2-quart casserole dish. I'm not going to do a 9 by 13 because I have a lot of the spaghetti bake that we made for supper last night left over, and some of the kids want that, so I don't want to do a full 9 by 13 of this recipe. But if you want to do a 9 by 13, you'll pretty much just double this.
Mama, we already have lots of cheese. What do you want to do with this one?
What do we want to do with that cheese?
Yeah. We already have lots of cheese. We
Do we?
have 2 packs.
Oh, so you want a piece of cheese? Is that what you're saying? Let me warm up this butter and I'll get it for you. I'm melting a quarter, let's see, yeah, a quarter cup of butter. We're gonna melt that in the microwave real quick. And I'll get some cheese for the cheese man. Okay, we've got the butter. We're gonna do half a cup of chicken broth in here and 1 cup of water. So I'm just gonna add it all into this measuring cup. So there's our butter, chicken broth, and water all mixed together. Now we'll stir all this together. I'm gonna spray our casserole dish. This is a perfect supper for if you want to taste at Thanksgiving but you're not ready for the big show yet. This will definitely take care of that Thanksgiving craving. Okay, we'll spray this. Okay, we're gonna pour in the stuffing mix. Now we're gonna put the chicken. You can use turkey or chicken for this. I have some already cooked rotisserie chicken. Now we put the green beans, and I've had these sitting out of the freezer, so they're pretty much thawed. Just spread these all over. And now we pour over this turkey gravy. I mixed just a little bit of chicken broth with it. We just pour this all over the top. Now we put some pepper. And that's it. It's going in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. I found some cranberry sauce, so I'm gonna open this up to have with it too, but just like the sweet potatoes, you can leave this out if you wanna keep it one dish. And for the sweet potatoes, I'm gonna make a little cinnamon butter. Now, this is whole berry, so it's not gonna be shaped like the can, but it's still fun. Oh, it is shaped like the can. Oh, mine, I'm sorry. Sorry about that, y'all. I got a little cranberry sauce right there. Got it. What's behind me? A monkey! I just saw some eggs, y'all. I'm not gonna go overboard. When I saw those eggs, something said, make some deviled eggs. I was like, no. We've got Thanksgiving in a pot, sweet potatoes, cranberry sauce, that's good. And leftover spaghetti bake. Some people make spaghetti for the holidays. Like I remember every single Christmas, my aunt, the one that had the restaurant, she brought spaghetti to the Christmas dinner and she would have it in a slow cooker. So I don't know if she made it in the slow cooker or if she just put it in that after she made it to keep it warm. She brought it every Christmas. We got 18 minutes left on the, oh, it's looking good, smelling good. This is not coffee, I just had ice in here. Sometimes I drink iced tea or whatever from a coffee mug. When I was little, I used to drink chocolate milk from a coffee mug, pretending that I was drinking coffee. It was chocolate milk.
We got a Thanksgiving preview. We love to start these previews. That's why we do it every year.
Yeah.
We do.
We do. I'm pretty sure we've done a Thanksgiving preview for many, many years.
Oh, yes. First of all, let's sample this grape potato. There's nothing like this right here. Whenever we celebrated with the Indians, sweet potatoes was part of that deal. Good. I love this preview more than anything. Right there.
Especially when you mix it with some of the stuffing or dressing. That's
Cranberry
great.
sauce. Let's just mix it now.
Yeah, mix it. Show them how we do it.
This is what we do. We preview. Get our green bean in there. That's the way you want to do it right there, everybody. Memories are flooding back right now.
Y'all, this is happening over here. Tyler already fixed his plate and he already ate it all.
Wow, that is delicious, Mama.
I'm out here helping Jonah feed tonight. We have more things to feed since we have some horses here now. Well, just one right now, but there's gonna be another one coming, I think, later this week or next week. Can you grab that for me, Jonah? I love this little light right here, y'all. It's a solar light. We got it from Tractor Supply.
Wait, I want to do one thing.
And when it gets really dark out here, it really lights up this part of the porch back here. Oh, one didn't come on yet?
Yes, one.
Okay. Okay, now it's on. Oh, no. It'll come on in a minute.
In the morning, all time fix it in the morning.
Okay. We were right about this one, y'all. This Mainstays Country Holiday smells amazing. When you come in, it smells like Christmas in the country.